Hello children, today I will tell you 5 magic words. These magic words have magic powers. When we say these magic words to others, it brings smile on their face and makes you more polite. Do you want to know what are these magic words? So, here are the magic words. Please, sorry, thank you, welcome, excuse me. But do you want to know when to use these magic words? Then listen me carefully. Magic word, please. When we want something from others, we should say please. Let me introduce you. Ria. She is Ria. And she is Ria's friend. Ria's friend got a new teddy bear. And Ria wants to play with her friend's teddy bear. So what should she say?
Could you give me your teddy to play with, please?
Ria is feeling thirsty. She wants to drink water. Then she goes to her mother. How should Ria ask her mother for a glass of water?
Mama, could you give me a glass of water, please?
Now, Ria wants to watch her favorite cartoon show on the TV. But her grandmother is watching TV. So what should Ria do? She should go and change the channel? No! She should say,
Grandma, can I watch my favorite show, please?
let's see the next magic word, sorry. When we should say sorry? When we have done something wrong, we should say sorry. Look at the picture. The girl has broken her friend's teddy. So what should she say to her friend? She should say,
I'm sorry, my dear friend.
we should say sorry when we hit someone, even if it is an accident. Now, look at this picture. In this picture, the boy has spilled water on his friend's painting unintentionally. So, what he should say to his friend? He should say,
I am sorry, my dear friend.
here is another situation. The boy has broken the flower vase while playing, and his mother is angry at him. So what should he say? He should say,
I am sorry, Mom.
now let's see the next magic word, thank you. When someone helps us or does us a favor, we should say thank you. When your parents, relatives and friends gives you present, you should say thank you. When your mama cooks your favorite food, then you should say thank you, mama. The next magic word is welcome. When someone says us thank you for any help, we should say welcome. When your friends give you birthday gift, you say thank you, and your friend should say you are welcome. Now the next magic word is excuse me. When you want someone's attention, you should say excuse me. The girl has lots of things to tell her dad, but her dad is talking on the telephone. So she should say, excuse me, daddy, and wait for her daddy to answer. In the second picture, you can see Mama is busy in doing dishes, but Mira has something to say to her mother. So she should say, "Excuse me, Mama," and wait for her mama to respond. When you bark or sneeze, you should say, "Excuse me." So the magic words are please, sorry, thank you, welcome, excuse me. Children, don't forget to use these magic words because the way we behave and speak politely tells others what kind of children we are. Now, let's see how much did you understand. Say the appropriate magic words for the given pictures. Picture number 1. The girl wants a pencil from her friend. So which magic word she should use? Please. Picture number 2. The girl pushed the boy. So which magic word she should say to the boy? Sorry. Picture number 3. The boy receives a present from his mother. So which magic word he should use here? Thank you. In picture number 4, a man is sneezing. So which magic word he should use here? Excuse me. Excellent, children. So now all of you have learned well about the magic words. So don't forget to use them in your daily conversation. Bye bye.